All right, I'm out here on this. You guys have seen me work on this glycol chiller before for the brewery, and we're low on charge. And it looks like I was looking in here, solenoid valve. Old solenoid valve, a leaker. I'm going to shut it off and get the soap bubbles. I'm probably going to order up a new valve. But see if I can get it tightened up for tonight. I don't have a 1/2 inch solenoid valve on my truck. Loving this tool bag. Vito, good job. That is a cool tool bag. It really is. All right. Let me get some soapy bubbles. All right. Clean some of this nasty, greasy oil off. We'll get some soapy bubbles going. Oh, we got bubbles. Over. There they are. You want to hear my solenoid valve song? The solenoid valve looks like a Laker to me. Alright. That'll work for tonight.
I kind of see it, huh? Is this the oil?
Alright, this old beater's back in action.